How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply blur the webcam background in Streamlabs. So basically, I'm going to be applying my blur onto this specific webcam right here. But to apply the filters or to apply the background blur, right click on it, click on filters, and then you want to click on the edit filters option. From there, it will open up the visual presets on which you can just simply click on it. And inside this page, if you scroll down, you will get the background blur right here. But if it's not showing up, it means that we have to update our Streamlabs application. Basically, it should go ahead and look something like this. Now, as a note, this will only apply if you're using an RTX graphics card, so you also have to make sure that your card supports this specific feature. Update your graphics card drivers and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.